once you've created an ERF and turned that in on SharePoint and notified the inventory control person that you've done this, you may need to do changes. So this video will go through how to make those changes the right way, and that basically just go through that process. So what we're going to do is look at the equipment that you've already put in here for the show, and here's all of that equipment when you do the IC filter sort tab. A reminder, if you want to go back to all the equipment to add different things, just remove the filter sort. So if you need to change quantities of what you've done, you're going to hit the Add ECR button, and once I press that, it adds the ECR column, and it will always auto-populate the date. So going back to the IC filter sort, I need to add 2 more desktop computers, so I'm going to hit 2, and need to subtract 2 laptops, so -2. And you see how it auto-fills the colors for you. So going through that automatically takes care of that for you. So if you need to add more equipment to the show, instead of using the required backup quantity tabs like you did in the initial creation, you're just going to use the ECR tab this time. So I'm going to go remove the filter sorts, and let's just add okay, a wireless presenter. So I'm going to type in to the filters presenter, and here we go, speaker support wireless presenter, and we need 22 of those, and I'm going to do 2 backups, so the math is 24, and now those are in there. So if I hit IC filter sort again, it now added the new equipment that you added without using the required quantity backup. It did it for you. So that's basically it for this adding equipment. When you're done adding everything you need to add in this ECR tab and you're ready to turn it in, why don't you go ahead and save as, and this one you'll call V2 just to not confuse it on SharePoint. Save it. And now that that's saved, I'm going to go ahead and close it. Go to the show's SharePoint page, inventory control, and drag over your version 2 with your equipment change request that you filled out in that column, and then send an email to your IC person to notify them that you've posted this and that you have changes to that they need to add to your R2 order. So once that's done, and if you don't know who your IC person is, again, you can go to the Home tab on your SharePoint site, and right here it'll tell you who your IC contact is. So that's how you change equipment or add or subtract equipment after you've already turned in the ERF.